Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Exciting. That's the best way to describe this car in one word. It is just sexy. The colors, it's a 70 Chevelle, the white interior. You know, with that big old cowl hood on there, you know there's something cool underneath. The stance, the wheels, the sound. I mean, this thing is just fun. It's exciting. And let me tell you what, it's quality. It's not just some hot rod thrown together in somebody's garage. This is a beautiful showpiece. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study the pictures, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars, all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, let's go for a spin in this 70 Chevelle. I didn't get a chance to drive it yet, and just this morning I asked George, who does our test drive videos, I said, have you driven that Chevelle? I'm like, is it a race car? Is it a car you can drive? And he goes, I don't know, I'll go find out. And I'm working, and also my office door swings open, and he says, both. And it took me a second to even remember what he was talking about, but it does both. It's a race car that you can drive. He said it drove down the highway beautifully, smooth, comfortable, but he says it also has a lot of giddy up and go when you punch it. So that's my impression too. There's nothing over the top. This isn't no 900 horsepower with a roll cage, but it is on the performance end of things. But according to George, it's a really nice driver, and I will be driving it myself. I can't wait. Underneath the car, completely clean, solid metal. It has a pure muscle suspension kit, and back it's all new control arms and sway bar, coil-over adjustable shocks. The whole front end's completely rebuilt, has an upgraded sway bar, has disc brakes at all four wheels. It's a Willwood disc brake system with drilled and slotted rotors. All new fuel system. Actually has a fuel cell in the trunk, and it has stainless steel braided fuel hose with electric fuel pump. You look up at the motor, it's still spotless. It's a performance-built turbo 350 trans with a finned aluminum pan on the bottom. The rear end, it's a new 9-inch Ford rear end, all custom, has what they call the back brace for extra support. The aluminum unit going into it, it's all new. It's a performance rear end right out of a catalog. Tires and wheels, these are, I think, called Streetlite wheels. They're aluminum wheels, obviously much bigger in the back. These are Mickey Thompson Sportsman tires in front, and they're like a street slick in the back. They're called GT Street. So performance tires and wheels gives it that muscle car stance. Now the body and paint is show quality. Gorgeous, bright red, no vinyl top, and it's just polished like glass. You don't even feel these stripes. I barely even feel the trunk line. It's just square and flush. The emblem, the trim, the tail lights, it's all new. It's got a big fat custom exhaust under there too, but they still have the stock cowbell tips coming up the back. So again, all this fits nice, laser beam straight. It's like red glass. I'm looking at it like it's a mirror. It's polished glossy. I did not find any issues, problem areas. There's two little nicks right on the very edge of the door, and a third one. Someone wasn't very careful. 3 little nicks that should be easy to touch up. And this is slick as can be, right down to the bottom, all smooth. Door fits spot on. New windshield. The rest of the glass is original, but all this trim, it's all new. New window seals, new weather strips. Up here, everything is all new. This is a fiberglass hood. It's just as straight as the car. Again, you don't feel the stripes. It has that big scoop. New hood pins. And this one here, It has a 454, about 550 horsepower. It's got some ceramic coated headers, and they're all wrapped with the heat wrap. Some nice aluminum fin valve covers. It's got a high-rise intake. It's got square port heads, a big dual feed Holley, an HEI ignition system, serpentine belt system with billet pulleys. It's got a chrome power steering. The trunk compartment's finished off nicely. This is all painted real nice. Here's the fuel cell. It's got braided hoses. The battery's relocated to the trunk here. It's bolted down properly. Comes with a car cover. It's pearl white interior. It's all redone. The seats, the headrests, the cushions in the seats, the door panels, the armrests, it's all redone. The seat backs are repainted. The trim is new. It's got a black headliner. That's new. The whole dash is new. The instrument panel, the dash pad, they're all white face gauges. It has some pillar gauges here. It's a tilt wheel with the deluxe wheel on it. It's got a retro stereo, new carpet, SS embroidered mats. It's a 4-core aluminum radiator, carbon fiber cover over the top with stainless hardware, Willwood master cylinder. The steering box is new. The power steering hoses are stainless braided. The coupler is new. Wiper motor is new. The wiring harness is new. Horns are new. And everything's painted and detailed up real nice. There is no heat or air in this car. Yeah, this is show quality. The whole car is show quality. Again, it's not a thrown together hot rod. Look how beautiful. The colors, the red and the white, pearl white. The vents are all new. Let me start it up for you. You probably want to hear the car more than you want to hear me talking. It says 165 miles on the odometer. That might be all this car has. I mean, it is spotless. Nice and snappy. It's responsive. It's not even warm. This was sitting out in the cold. I just pulled it in, and it runs real nice. So that's when we say it's not just a race car. It's a hot rod, but look, it sits in idles just fine. That transmission cooler. Ah, heck yeah, I'd go out driving this all day. I'm doing these videos. I don't want to go back to work. I just want to hop in this thing and go. You'll have to wait till after work. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of the car. They can answer specific questions or concerns you might have. They'll also help with all the financing, delivery, all the paperwork at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and just click on that bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.